Quick tip tonight for you. If you have a dusting buddy like this one, they go by every different name. You can get them from Amazon or just about anywhere right now. But it's the anti-static brush. So when you're doing your heat embossing, you don't get embossing powder everywhere. If you have one, and from the beginning either does this or does it as time goes on, if when you're trying to dust, the powder just pours out, it's not broken. All you have to do is pour all your powder out, is the easiest way. Look down and you'll see two holes at the bottom. Hold a light underneath it so when you're looking down through here, you see the light coming through. Take this top and bottom, hold one with each hand. As you're looking through at those holes down through the light, turn slowly. When you see the light go away, stop. It's just an open and close for some reason, instead of it just being able to turn a little bit to let more powder out for whatever reason than maybe the little bit that was coming out. They don't. They just keep turning, and there's only one spot that's closed. So if you have that problem, twist it until it's done. Now, if you don't want to take the powder out, you can hold it up like this and twist until the powder doesn't fall out. If you're like me, mine went straight through as soon as I was filling it. So that's how you fix it. Hope it helps.